We're using Toil Tidings Designer Series paper to make the mini bag today. We're going to cut the DSP at 27 centimeters by 12.5 centimeters, and you'll get 2 mini bags out of this with some leftover pieces that you could use to make mini cards to go inside the bags. We're now going to score our DSP at 1.5 centimeters and 8.5 centimeters before turning and scoring at 1 centimeter, 9 centimeters, 14 centimeters and 22 centimeters. Welcome to the mini bag tutorial from Eager to Stamp. Now we are going to just crease along the score lines with the bone folder just to get them nice and crisp, and then what we're going to do is we're going to cut off a small section of the 1 centimeter side of the base and then cut up the flaps of the base. Then what we're going to do is get a ruler and measure along the 1.5 centimeter score line and put a mark at 3 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 16 centimeters and 20 centimeters. Get a small hole punch on those marks you just made, and this is where we're going to thread our ribbon through for the bag handles. I'm using the woven, very vanilla woven ribbon, and I'm just tying them off nice simple knots. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some retired fast fuse. I still have a little bit left, and I'm just going to roll that along here. I'm going to secure the ends down on the fast fuse, but the fast fuse is also there so that I can seal the top of the bag so it's got a nice clean seal. It'll look nice and tidy. Alright, once I've done that, I'm going to turn around. I'm going to apply some fast fuse down on the base flaps. This is from the crease to and also along the top edge, and also one along that big edge and on the side. Now we're going to fold our mini bag and we're going to do the base with the 2 side flaps in, followed by the larger side flap to seal the bag and the bottom. Thanks for watching.